Edit is the most complex and versatile mode in ABrush, and in many ways the most exciting one. This mode became possible in late 2025 when a new generation of models arrived that actually understand text as instructions, not descriptions of what to generate, but directions for what to do to an existing image. That shift opened up a completely different kind of workflow. At its most straightforward, Edit is exactly what it sounds like. You select an area, write an instruction, and the model executes it. Add a hat, make the metal rusty, remove the object, change the lighting, give the character a different expression. This alone is enormously useful. Generating variations of a concept, exploring different designs, adjusting mood, fixing details before a final handoff, all of it becomes fast and direct. No rebuilding from scratch, no manual paint over for every iteration. You describe the change, you get the change. But Edit doesn't stop at simple instructions. It's also a bottomless pit of trick shots. And the more you understand how these models think, the more you can pull out of them. Here's a real example. Say you want to generate a new character in the same style as a reference you already have. The naive approach, just describing a new character, often ignores the style entirely. So instead, you construct the instruction more carefully. You start with, replace the character with, this tells the model to substitute, not add. Then you describe the new character you want. Then you add something like who lives in the same city or who is a neighbor of the girl. That last part sounds odd, but it works. It forces the model to make the new character feel like they belong in the same world, which means matching the style, the rendering, the visual language of whoever they're replacing. That's the kind of thinking Edit rewards. Sketches as input. You don't need a clean image to work in Edit mode. You can draw rough sketches directly in the selection area, a loose shape where you want an object added, a gesture indicating a pose, a scribble showing what to remove, and describe what should be there instead. The model reads the sketch as structure and fills it in, matching the style and lighting of the surrounding image. This makes Edit a natural companion to your own drawing process. You block in the idea by hand, the model renders it into the scene. You can also sketch a rough pose and attach your character as a reference. The model will repose them accordingly. Edit is the mode you'll keep coming back to as your understanding of the plugin deepens. The basics are immediately useful, the advanced techniques take time, but the ceiling is genuinely high.